The rise of the machines, AI's triumphs. From self-driving cars to intelligent personal assistants, AI is transforming our world in ways we never imagined. Can AI think smarter than humans? This question has intrigued scientists, philosophers, and the general public alike. This question dominates many conversations today. As AI continues to evolve, it challenges our understanding of intelligence and cognition. We see AI excelling in diverse fields, from finance to education, and even in our daily lives. In healthcare, AI algorithms diagnose diseases with remarkable accuracy, often surpassing human doctors. These systems can analyze vast amounts of data quickly, providing insights that were previously unimaginable. AI is also making waves in creative domains, from composing symphonies to creating visual masterpieces. AI's creative potential seems boundless. AI-generated art and music challenge our notions of creativity. These creations often evoke emotions and provoke thought. Just like human-made art, these systems produce stunning visuals and complex compositions, blurring the lines between human and machine-made art. The fusion of technology and creativity opens new horizons. These advancements raise important questions. What does it mean for the future of human creativity and employment? Is AI simply mimicking human intelligence, or is something more profound happening? Are we on the brink of a new era of intelligence? To understand this, we must delve into the mechanics of AI. Only by exploring its inner workings can we grasp the true potential and limitations of this groundbreaking technology. Thinking machines, decoding the AI mind. AI processes information differently than humans. AI relies on algorithms and vast data sets to identify patterns and make predictions. It excels at tasks involving logic, computation, and pattern recognition. Human thinking is more nuanced. We rely on intuition, experience, and emotional intelligence. This allows us to navigate complex social situations and make judgments in ambiguous situations. While AI can process information faster, it lacks the depth and flexibility of human thought. The human edge, where AI falls short. Despite its advancements, AI has limitations. While AI can process vast amounts of data and perform complex calculations, it still falls short in many areas that are second nature to humans. AI lacks common sense, a fundamental aspect of human intelligence. This means it often fails to understand context or make intuitive leaps that humans do effortlessly. We intuitively understand the physical world and social norms, while AI struggles with these concepts. Another limitation is self-awareness. Humans are aware of their own thoughts and emotions, which influences their decisions and interactions. AI lacks consciousness and the ability to reflect on its own existence. It cannot ponder its purpose or question its actions. It operates based on programmed instructions and data without genuine understanding or subjective experience. This makes AI efficient but also limited in scope. These limitations highlight the distinct nature of human intelligence. Our ability to think creatively, adapt to new situations, and understand abstract concepts sets us apart. We possess a level of cognitive flexibility and adaptability that AI has yet to achieve. This human edge is what makes us unique and irreplaceable in many aspects of life. The future of intelligence, collaboration, and coexistence. The future likely holds a collaborative relationship between humans and AI. This partnership will redefine how we approach everyday tasks and complex challenges. AI will continue to excel in specific tasks, augmenting our capabilities. From agriculture to healthcare, AI's precision and efficiency will be invaluable. However, human intelligence will remain essential in areas requiring creativity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence. These uniquely human traits will drive innovation and empathy. Rather than fearing AI as a competitor, we should embrace its potential to improve our lives. By integrating AI into our daily routines, we can enhance our quality of life. By understanding the strengths and limitations of both human and artificial intelligence, we can create a future where both thrive. This balanced coexistence will lead to a more harmonious and prosperous world.